Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna share you about YouTube Create application. It's totally new application for video editors. YouTube Create is a standalone video editing app for mobile which launched in beta mode in September 2023. Create boasts a full suite of editing tools including precision editing and trimming, automatic captioning, voiceover capabilities, filters, effects, stickers, GIFs, transitions, audio cleanup, and thousands of free music. So now I am gonna showing you a step-by-step guide for making videos with YouTube Create. Open YouTube Create application. Then click the plus icon in the middle of the screen. You will see your devices, videos and photos. Now click on videos, then scroll and search through your footage. Once you have finished your selections, then hit import. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select aspect ratio. Your footage will appear at the bottom of the app on the project timeline. Clicking on your clip will allow you to make edits. The editing toolbar can be found below your footage. The icons include split, features, effects, adjust, speed, volume, audio cleanup, and more. If you would like to add more clips to your project, just click the plus button at the end of the timeline. If you are creating content for YouTube Shorts, keep an eye out for the Shorts logo at the 1 minute mark. Once you get past this, your content will be long for YouTube Shorts. To add music, deselect all clips and tap the sound option in the editing toolbar. Take your pick from the YouTube audio library or import your own file with your music. If you go for the latter option, make sure you have the correct license for YouTube use. To add a voiceover, deselect all clips and tap the voiceover. A red record button will appear. Tap it once to start recording your voiceover, then again to finish. Click done to insert the voiceover as an extra track on your project timeline. Once your video ready, go back to the three-dot menu near the top, click it, then hit export. Adjust the quality, then click the new export button. Your video will automatically save to your device and you will be promoted to upload it to YouTube and share across other channels. So that's the YouTube Create app in a nutshell. It's a thoughtful app made for creators and could give beginners and time-poor users the extra push they need. Plus, even if you are a pro creator who's been around the block, this is another tool to add your kit. So that's the video. See you soon in the next video.